Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the Cowl light mount brackets from Rhino, available for the all-new Jeep Wrangler JL. Now with these brackets, they allow you to mount a pair of 3-inch cube lights on each side of your cowl for a grand total of 4 industry standard 3-inch cube lights. And these are a 100% bolt-on, no drilling or modification required bracket. And that means they're simply going to replace the 2 factory fasteners found on the top side of your cowl here. And you're going to be using all new hardware that's included with the brackets from Rhino to get these mounted into the 2 recesses on top of your cowl here. Now, like I mentioned, you can mount your choice of up to 4 cube lights. So you can do like we've done here, where we've got 1 cube facing forward and 1 angled off to the side. Nice part about these is they also feature a multi-level, so they're staggering the height of these lights for you as well. You can even take it the extra step and decide to mount something like maybe a driving light facing forward, maybe more of a flood style light facing to the side to really illuminate the sides of the trail or road surface that you may be on during those really dark nights. Now, in addition to the main mounting bracket, you're also going to get the secondary auxiliary bracket from Rhino, which is a really nice add-on here. If you decide maybe you don't like the brackets that came with your particular set of lights, well, you can use this auxiliary bracket to mount your lights. One of the nice features about this is it sets the cubes down really nice and low and tight for a really great look. It also features Rhino's signature hex pattern down the side that's going to match some of their other line of products for the JL, and you get the really great Rhino logo right on the side here to show everyone whose products you're running on your Jeep. If you guys want to get more information or purchase a set of the dual cowl light mounting brackets from Rhino for your 2018 or newer Jeep Wrangler JL, you can go ahead and click on that info button and head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the light mount brackets, you can leave those in the comment section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. And as always, you want to make sure you hit that subscribe button so you're sure to catch all of our latest 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL product reviews. Till next time, I'm Rob. See you guys out on the trail.